Ah, I got this silly Spider-Man shirt at that Marvel Universe DC Metaverse Stanley Park Vancouver OG. That comedy festival with Bobby Lee. Haha. He's a funny Korean American. I'm Korean Canadian, not as funny, not actor, comedian, or singer. He's multi-dimensionally talented that Bobby Lee's done so well for himself. Me? Oh, I'm all got my panties in a twist from the disposable underwear that I was subjected to by the mental health constable, sicking 3 guards on me to ensure that I humiliate myself, begging for my Adidas slides. How petty of them. Let alone the garb, the fashion at the mental health institution at the General Chilliwack Hospital. The dark hallway down to the insane asylum is where you'll find the hottest October Thanksgiving fashion sense nude colored detention center 2 piece. Ah, I didn't even wear 2 chains. Oh, let's see who's on my list here. It says to rob Jeff, Jordan's father. What does that mean? I don't even know Jordan or his father. I only know Jeff. Shannon, the turkey farmer, sold me that infected bird flu, chicken head, womanizing, alcoholic, drug dealing shenanigans of a lumberjacking jacker company. Have you heard of Shannon Lumber? Just a front. I could tell he was a bitch ass, anyways. Who threatens me through being in the presence of multiple patch members and associates that I know stand against wanksters pretending to be gangsters and con artists like snake oil salesmen and identity thieves and ripping off, preying on people's purchases and preying on vulnerable cross-border shenanigans. I don't know. Well, let's find out. Shannon Farms, Jeff and Adam, including Home Life, that corrupt